Is the secret to weight loss just hiding in your kitchen cabinet? Spoiler alert. It's small, it's sour, and it might just change your life. If you've ever stared at the mirror thinking, there's got to be a better way, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the buzz behind chia seeds and apple cider vinegar, why some people call them weight loss magic, and the real truth behind it all. And trust me, you're gonna want to stick around because it's not all sunshine and six-packs. Alright, picture this. You've tried every diet under the sun, keto, intermittent fasting, even that weird cabbage soup thing your aunt swore by. Nothing sticks. But then you hear whispers on TikTok or YouTube, chia seeds and apple cider vinegar are the magic combo for fat loss. You're intrigued. You wonder, can it really be that simple? So today, we're unpacking every juicy and slimy detail. First, let's talk about chia seeds. These little black and white dots, yeah, the same ones you used to smear on your chia pet in the 90s, are absolute nutritional powerhouses. A single tablespoon of chia seeds packs fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants like it's getting paid per nutrient. Here's the kicker. When you soak chia seeds in water, they puff up into this weird jelly-like blob. And when you eat them, they expand inside your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. Think of it like tiny balloons slowly inflating in your belly. Without the uncomfortable gas part, don't worry. A 2015 study in the Annals of Internal Medicine even showed that just boosting your daily fiber intake can help with weight loss, without counting calories or stressing yourself out. More fiber means more fullness and less overeating. Pretty simple math. But chia seeds aren't just about filling you up. They're also slow to digest, meaning they give you a steady stream of energy instead of that sugar crash you get after a donut. Plus, their omega-3s fight inflammation, which is huge because inflammation is like a roadblock that slows down your fat-burning engine. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Now, let's swing over to apple cider vinegar. ACV isn't just for your salad dressings anymore. It's been used for centuries, we're talking ancient Greece, people, as a natural remedy for almost everything. One of its star ingredients is acetic acid, which has been shown to boost metabolism, lower blood sugar, and burn fat. A 2009 study from Japan found that obese individuals who drank ACV daily lost more weight, belly fat, and inches around their waist compared to those who didn't. Here's how it works. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can suppress your appetite, increase fat burning, and even block your body from storing excess fat. It's like flipping the script on your metabolism, turning it from slow and steady to fast and furious. Oh, and there's another sneaky benefit. It helps control blood sugar spikes after meals. Meaning you're way less likely to crash and crave junk food 2 hours later. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool. So I just sprinkle chia seeds on my burger and chug vinegar and I'll wake up skinny? Not so fast. Here's the problem. People often treat these foods like they're magic wands. Like, if I just add these two things, I can still eat like garbage and lose weight. Nope. Doesn't work like that. They're tools, super helpful tools, but they're not your golden ticket if the rest of your diet looks like a 5-year-old's birthday party. And trust me, if you overdo it, you might regret it. Too much chia without enough water? Hello, bathroom problems. Too much apple cider vinegar? Say goodbye to your tooth enamel and hello to some serious stomach issues. Balance, my friend. Balance. So how do you actually use chia seeds and apple cider vinegar the smart way? Here's one easy routine. Start your morning with a simple ACV drink. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a big glass of water. You can add a bit of honey or lemon if the taste makes your soul leave your body. Then, about 30 minutes before your meal, have a small chia seed drink. Stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into water, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it gels up, and sip it slowly. This duo does two big things. It curbs your appetite naturally and keeps you feeling full, so you're way less likely to overeat or snack mindlessly later. And here's a bonus trick. Toss chia seeds into your smoothies, oatmeal, or even your yogurt. They're basically flavorless but add a thick, satisfying texture. Now, let's not stop at weight loss because these two little powerhouses bring even more to the table. Chia seeds are packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which means they help build strong bones. So you're not just losing weight, you're staying strong too. They also contain a ton of antioxidants, which act like little warriors fighting off the aging process inside your body. Who doesn't want fewer wrinkles and better skin, right? Apple cider vinegar helps with digestion too. Some people find it eases bloating and heartburn. And believe it or not, some early research shows that ACV might even support heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. It's like the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies, small bottle, endless benefits. But wait, there's still one more hurdle. Both chia seeds and apple cider vinegar are helpful, but if you don't fix your diet and lifestyle too, you're basically trying to bail out a sinking ship with a spoon. Think about it. If you're drinking chia smoothies and vinegar shots but still eating pizza, fries, and candy every day, you're not creating a calorie deficit. No calorie deficit, no weight loss. That's the unfiltered truth. These foods should be part of a bigger strategy. Eat real, whole foods. Move your body regularly, sleep enough, and manage your stress. Chia seeds and ACV? They're like sprinkling magic fairy dust on top of an already good plan. Now, here's the key moment. The real takeaway that most people miss. Weight loss isn't about hacks. It's about habits. If you can make small, smart choices, like adding chia seeds and apple cider vinegar, and stick to them every day without overcomplicating things, you will see results. It's not flashy. It's not sexy. But it works. Because at the end of the day, no superfood in the world can outwork a bad lifestyle. But the right superfoods? They can turbocharge your results if you're already doing the right things. And here's a real-world story to prove it. There's this woman named Amy, busy mom of 3. Working full-time, totally overwhelmed. She didn't have hours to meal prep or crush it at the gym. What she did instead? She started every morning with apple cider vinegar and a chia water drink. She swapped out her junk snacks for chia pudding. She kept it simple. Fast forward 6 months, she lost 27 pounds. She felt more energized. Her skin looked better than it had in years. And the best part? She didn't feel like she was punishing herself. That's the kind of win we're aiming for here. Small steps, big results. So if you're thinking about hopping on the Chia plus ACV bandwagon, go for it. Just remember, they're your helpers, not your miracle workers. Respect the process, stay consistent, and your body will thank you. If you want to know more about how simple foods can unlock insane results, tap on the next video that's popping up right now. It's a total game changer.